Let's learn English through EducaToon with teacher Aya.
Our first lesson is analogy. Analogy is a comparison of two things to show their similarities or relationships. Example: hungry is to eat, as thirsty is to drink. Another way of writing an analogy is like this. We separate the sets of words with a colon. Now let's discuss how this becomes an analogy. Let us focus on the first set. Hungry is to eat. Hungry is the cause, and if you are hungry, the effect is eat. The other set should also have a cause and effect relationship for this to become an analogy. Thirsty is the cause, and drink is the effect. Now that we have both cause and effect relationship on two sets, then this becomes an analogy. There are various types of analogy. The first one is the synonym. Synonyms are words possessing the same meaning. Example analogy is happy is to joyful. Happy and joyful are synonymous. And the other set is pretty is to beautiful. Pretty and beautiful are also synonymous. So we have happy is to joyful as pretty is to beautiful. Another example is big is to large as soft is to cottony. Big and large are synonymous as well as soft and cottony. Next is find is to discover, as begin is to. Think of a word that will complete this analogy. The answer is start. Begin and start have the same meaning. Another type of analogy is the antonyms. Antonyms are words opposite to each other in terms of meaning. Example: happy is to sad, as beautiful is to awful. Happy and sad are opposite meaning, and beautiful and awful also have the opposite meaning. Another example is big is to small, as soft is to hard. Big and small are antonyms, as well as soft and hard. How about this? Clean is to dirty, as heavy is to. What do you think is the answer? That's right. It is light. Another type of analogy is part and whole. This pertains to several objects comprise or make up a group. Example: keypad is to mobile phone, as the keyboard is to computer. Keypad and mobile phone. Let's focus on that first set. Keypad is a part of a mobile phone, while keyboard is a part of a computer. Another example is lead is to pencil, as ink is to pen. Lead is the part of a pencil, and ink is also a part of a pen. Next one is eyes is to head, as thumb is to. That's correct, hand. The fourth type of analogy is characteristics. It is the description of items. This can be done by stating the item and its characteristics. Example: chili pepper is to spicy, as candy is to sweet. Chili peppers taste spicy, and candies are typically sweet. So all you have to do is to identify the characteristics of the given items. Another example is dogs is to furry, as birds is to feathery. How about wood is to solid as water is to? What do you think should be the answer? That's right, it's liquid. Another type of analogy is function. Function explains the use of an object. Example, alcohol is to sanitize, as broom is to sweep. Let's focus on the first set. Alcohol is used to sanitize objects, so that is its function. And the function of the broom is to sweep the floor. Here are other examples. Eyes is to see, as ears is to hear. How about mic is to audio, as camera is to? That's right, video. The sixth type of analogy is the cause and effect, just like our example earlier. Cause and effect shows cause and effect relationship. Example, war is to destruction. The effect of war is destruction. Trash is to pollution. The effect of trash is pollution. So as long as it presents cause and effect relationship, then that is a cause and effect analogy. Other examples are convict is to punishment, as acquit is to freedom. How about careless is to accident, as careful is to? What do you think is the effect of being careful? The answer is safety. Now that you have learned some types of analogies, let's have the activity. All you have to do is to identify the missing words to complete the analogies. First one is knight is to sword, as wizard is to A. castle, B. shield, C. wand. Number 2. Sock is to foot, as hat is to A. clothing, B. hand, C. head. Number 3. Leaves is to tree, as petals is to A. branch, B. flower, or C. fruit. Number 4. Scary is to frightening, as funny is to A. fortunate, B. hilarious, or C. dramatic. Number 5. Sickness is to health, as poverty is to A. marriage, B. poor, or C. wealth. Write your answers on the comment box below. Thank you for joining today's class. Have a good day.
Do not forget to hit like and subscribe to Teacher Aya EducaToon. Thank you.